In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Wendy's account. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now type in this link find.wendys.com/login. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official login interface of Wendy's. Or instead of that, you can also open the Wendy's application if you want. Now in the login interface, what you have to do is enter your email address and password and you'll be able to log into your account. Or instead of that, you can also log in with Facebook or Google. Simply click on the login method of your choice. If you want to log in with your email address, click on the field of email address. Now enter the email address over here. Now after you do that, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, you'll be able to find the option for forgot password. Click on it and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter your email address and password, click on the login option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Wendy's account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.